Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Homemade by Jenny. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my kids' favorite dish, pork belly stew. In Vietnamese, it's called Thit Kho. My kids love this dish simply with a bowl of rice and some steamed vegetable on the side, and it's perfect. So let's get started. I'll show you the ingredients we'll be using today. Pork belly, which I've cut up, some rock sugar, shallot, some star anise and cloves, some whole garlic cloves, pepper, water, and fish sauce. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to turn on the stove here, and then we're just going to put the pork belly into sear on all four sides. We don't really need fat in this dish because the pork belly itself is quite fatty already, so we're just going to start. Yeah, you want to keep the pork in single layer so that it sears better. Okay, as you can see, I've put in a single layer of pork belly into the pot just to sear. And now we're just gonna give it a few minutes for it to turn golden on the other side, and then we'll flip it. We're just gonna try to sear it on all sides, and once it's done, we're gonna take it and put it into this plate back here and put the rest of it in to cook. Okay, I'm just gonna test one out here. As you can see how it's turned golden, I'm just gonna flip that over and find any of the other pieces that have turned golden and just flip them as well. Just make sure you check. There we go. This will actually help to caramelize the meat first of all, and then also later it will give a very nice brown color or caramelized color to the sauce as well. So okay, once the pork belly pieces have been seared on all sides, kind of like this one, as you can see, you can take it out now, and then we're going to put it here, and then we're going to add the next piece in to cook. And we're going to keep doing that until all the pieces have been seared on all sides. Okay, as you can see, I didn't put any oil in there, but the fat from the pork belly rendered out. And because of all these extra fat, I'm actually just going to use a paper towel to absorb it and actually just throw it out. We don't want too much of the fat in here, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Okay, now that I've finished searing everything, I'm just going to put all the pork bellies back into the pot and then start to build up my flavoring. Okay, see all the pork that's in that. Now I'm going to add in the sugar, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to caramelize the rock sugar, and that's going to help also caramelize the meat and also give a beautiful caramelized color to the sauce. So in the meantime, I'm just going to cook this, stir it around. Okay, as you can see, the rock sugar I first put in was bigger. Now, as I stir fried it, and it's slowly melting away and caramelizing and coating also the pork as well. Okay, now that the sugar has all melted and caramelized, we're going to add in the remaining ingredients, and then we're just going to let it stew away. First, the fish sauce. Shallots. Garlic. Pepper. Cloves. I'm going to give that a quick stir first before I add in the water. Now that all the seasoning has been stirred through, you want to add water so that it actually covers the meat. So if this one bowl is not enough, I'm just going to add another bowl until it covers all the meat, and then we're just gonna let it stew. I added just enough water so that it just kind of covers most of the meat. And now I'm just gonna bring it to a boil. Now that it's at a boil, I'm just gonna close up the lid and let it go for about half an hour. You can see the pork belly stewing away. Okay, the meat has been on a high to medium to high boil for about half an hour, and then it's been turned down to a low to cook further, and this is what it looks like. Just gonna check to see if it's tender. It looks like the meat is falling off and tender. There we go. That's what we want. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back onto a high boil just to reduce this sauce down just a little bit. Okay, I've turned the temperature back on high just to reduce the sauce a little bit, and you can see it boiling. I'm going to open up, and then you can see in there that the sauce has thickened up really nicely. We're just going to give it a couple more minutes on high here, and then we're going to take it off to serve. This is the finished product, and all I'm going to do now is scoop it into a bowl and serve hot. This will be very nice over a bowl of rice, and we're also going to top it off with a sunny side up egg and some cabbage stir-fried at the side. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe to see more future videos. Thank you.